Can't click on the taskbar in Windows 11? In this video, I'll walk you through fixes to get it working again. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC using your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab, locate the Windows Explorer in the list, and click on the Restart button. Windows Explorer restarts and Taskbar dims and reappears again. Check whether the taskbar is responding now. Use the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type PowerShell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus. Enter to open PowerShell as admin. Copy and paste the command below and hit Enter to execute it. Wait for the command to complete execution and ignore any errors or warnings raised. Restart your system and check if the issue with the taskbar is resolved. Open Run using the combination of Windows and R keys. Type the command below to open the System Maintenance Troubleshooter. In the troubleshooter that opens up, click on Advanced. Make sure you check the box next to Apply Repairs automatically. Click on Next to start the troubleshooter. Wait until the troubleshooter detects any problems and give some appropriate fixes. Use the command below to open the Performance Troubleshooter. Follow on-screen instructions and complete the troubleshooting process. Restart your PC and check if the taskbar is clickable now. Press Windows plus S and type CMD in the search box. Right-click on Command Prompt in the results and choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes if prompted by the User Account Control. Use the command below to run the DISM tool. dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Once the command executes, reboot your system and check if the taskbar is working. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.